Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
So we haven't got 50 foot of snow.
Looks sunny.
Hopefully.
Although the amounts of snow they're forecasting for the likes of Pennine for the night are quite high. 50 centimetres, that's not a trivial amount.
No, it's not. It's a foot and a half, isn't it? Where do you live?
Leicester.
All right.
But once I get to the M1 or to Chesterfield, I'll be fine.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, you might have 12 foot. That's not all of it.
You what, sorry?
You might have 12 foot. Has the glass moved since we were last here? Wasn't it? The two broken pieces must be on one in each window.
Yeah, they were pushed back.
Yeah, now the one's gone and the other's...
Yeah.
Such a shame that.
It is.
It's necessary.
It is.
Like for them to get the effort to even find it and come down here.
But somebody's been up under the engine as well.
Like I say, both people put in a cave or something. Who was
Oh, it's got to be someone who, in theory...
can't be kids in a way, can it? Because
Well,
I can't see
I
him
don't
getting.
know.
Can't see him getting down here. Well, you know.
no, there's everybody's been down here, mate. You just stand behind us.
Yeah.
Get a picture up that side of it. I'll do one other way. And somebody's been in. They've knocked the lights out because there was a full set of lights in it that somebody's knocked out.
Similar to like Northern when we were going there, everything's been vandalised now since last year.
Minorfrin.
Yeah, in Wales.
Yeah, next to Zachwed.
Yeah.
Well, you see,
Well, it's owned by Zachwed and they've been taking scrap out
yeah,
to stop other people picking it.
Yeah.
you see, somebody's had all this lot up. This went up like this last time we came in.
No.
Richard
Well,
Hill.
I think last time we were here, it might have had the window over it.
Yeah.
But that's now been pushed over there.
Oh, Richard Hill died not too long ago.
Still got battery.
Yeah, I know it has. Everything's still there. Engine's fine.
It's definitely seen some action that.
It's an Allinson's transmission on it. Which that's that bit. And then the engine is as far as I know from what I can remember, it's a Deutz air-cooled engine.
Oh, yeah, an air-cooled one.
Yeah. They're all air-cooled. Hydraulic tank, diesel tanks other side.
Yeah. Well, it certainly looks like it has got a chock here.
You what, sorry?
There is a chock here. Is that there before?
Is what, sorry?
A chock
Chock?
under the wheel.
There might have been, I don't know.
I don't remember it. Because I remember wondering what the fuck was something going down the hill.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Well, on this side, I don't know. I wouldn't put that past Terry.
Jocking it.
Yeah.
I mean, they'd be able to pull it with around back there under that drive, under that back cross member.
Yeah.
That's a dead cert. I just don't get why people do damage like that. I just cannot comprehend it. I don't understand why anybody would want to do that. I really don't. To me, they're not mine explosives, they're just vandals. Idiots.
Sort of commentary, didn't it? Spray painting and all that. We're all saying
Yeah.
pissing about with fire extinguishers and all that.
Yeah, they've all the fire extinguishers, all the first aid kits have been vandals.
Whoever's done that will have done that as well, probably. Because it's the same mentality, isn't it?
Well, I haven't got my GoPro and I'll tell you something about that I know. I'm just filming this last little bit.
Yeah, on the videos I was watching last night with you going down all them first aid kits and all intact and fire extinguishers and that wrong wall. They didn't. All of it. It was that sort of thing kids would do, but baffles me how kids would get down it.
Right, hang on. What's Dave done?
Nothing down there, no, it's been all closed up.
Yeah. Aren't your feet piss wet through?
Oh, yeah, it's okay. It's warmed up now.
Buy yourself some wet socks.
Yeah. I've got to be well, it was a bit of a last minute thing. He texted me. I said, you have to come out, not go on that. I will well do the caravan, but it will worth getting wet feet to see. Oh, that's definitely. Well worth it. I've got to go for it again. It's only cold again.
I'm not rushing out. Because my hip will start aching in a bit.
Them ladders, yeah,
Yeah, they're not so bad. It's that last pull out the mine.
Oh, yeah, it's actually quite steep in it, but
It
you
is.
don't realise.
Hey?
We're coming at 29, I think.
I don't know. Something like that.
Not in this way.
No, this is where we're going to go and have a look. I've got a feeling it'll just go to water.
Yeah. Way down steep, isn't it?
Yeah. This didn't exist when I worked here.
So it's all the black on the wall, is that the natural colour of it?
No, it's soaked.
That's soaked, yeah, off the...
Dumpers.
Yeah. Yeah, the rings on the side of it, it's just the floor as well.
Yeah. What on earth are they? You found somewhere. Probably a shaft.
They've stopped, haven't they? There must be something.
That's just a shaft down to a lower level.
Right.
Full of a lot of them.
Can imagine. That's why it's so humid here.
Yeah.
Conservation day, or what they call it. The way conservation day is water.
I don't want them out of water.
No, the staff don't pump.
So the last thing they wanted were water.
Do an arms,
Yeah.
if you do an arms or something.
And I reckon them timbers would be as rotten as a pear.
Yeah, if that goes on here in deep shit.
Then they drop down there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the water that's in the young pump station, and we're above it. That's going to be 150 feet drop.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, but we have a guy there with this probe to see what temperature that water is.
You what, mate? Oh, a set of odd legs. Up here. So this was the original drive. Just be careful up here because it is rough. No.
No, we're going to be coming down.
See how you get lost. You couldn't get lost in
This is really rough, so just be careful. Watch what's above your head.
Not a lot.
So be careful. Let me go first. No, more so about keeping above what's your head. Let me just scope it out, because it is very rough.
Photograph for that. Oh, take a photo.
This is the rougher end of it.
It is a bit rough, isn't it?
Yeah.
All a little bit rotten.
So there should be a bend here, and a fan housing used to sit here. So that's where the fan housing sat, and that, now it's all blasted to fucking collapsed. But that there was the original fan sat in here, and that goes down into Lady Wash.
Kind of blowing the air into Lady Wash.
I think it was there, it's either there or here anyway. Once you get right to this bit, it's limestone again. If you could have got out this way, it'd have been a lot easier.
Yeah. And it looks like it was driven on last week, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It must be a good few years.
30.
Since I stopped riding on here.
Oh no, it's not that long ago. It lasts sort of 4 or 5 years,
Oh, okay.
if that.
So not so long.
No. Been a bit of water down here though.
Yeah, see, water. Concrete floor.
Yeah, we'll like this all the way through.
What, it's a concrete slab?
Yeah,
How did you get that down?
carried them. On a machine, on a frame. Put them down.
3 cars.
Yeah. Big slabs down.
You can see it. Holes in the middle.
Yeah.
You put keys in them. Turn them, lifting them up.
Yeah.
And they're all bedded on 6mm pea gravel.
And then concrete is inside, though.
No,
When you think the water, what's the pig going, wouldn't you?
it did. That's how I ended up closing Solihull Mine for a couple of days. I hit some rings and pulled them down, and end of story. Top off a pickup. Yeah.
You can taste it in the air a little bit.
What's that?
Can you go in? See all the fragments or...
Right way, Tom. You check that out all the way back.
Entirely up to you. There's a lot of shale on the ground here. It's very humid, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a bit of a little bit of a concern. What time is it?
12:49.
Well, I want to be out for 3 o'clock. I want to be out for 3 o'clock. Been a lot of water run down here.
Yeah.
Somebody's been up here recently.
It was also flooded recently, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. The amount of silt down here.
Quite a lot, isn't there?
Yeah. What's that? Keep to it right. That's a shale. Shale pocket dropped. This is firming up a bit now. So a lot of activity. It has. You all right? It's getting a bit shitty here now. Have you gone over? Have you got it out? That's quite cool. You see where water's run down, can't you? It won't be a trip with me if you know somebody doesn't get stuck. I say it won't be a trip with me if somebody doesn't get stuck. It's usually me. Yeah, it is. This is where the old concrete pump sat. This was used basically to pump it over the top of Shale Cap. Well, we didn't, but whether they did do in later life, I don't know.
That hasn't been washed in, has it? Wood chip.
It could have been, yeah.
Coming with a light. Well, it's got some timber, isn't it? Haven't they?
It's dry rotting it now, isn't it?
Yeah, so this is all been on the floor, and it's only that's made with the mud cut.
It's flooded, I think. You can see tide mark on the wall
Yeah.
where it's flooded.
And the chips have just...
Yeah.
It's floating and then it's settled out. And just floated.
Yeah. So basically this, the other end of this is up on the 160 level. Well, this is the water concrete pump. You had a drum that they mixed it with, and they put it into here and blew it up over top of rings into stope between the shale and the ore. Pat used this quite a bit. Well, yeah, it has. It's been covered in silt.
Yeah, that's it, innit?
Been up to the ceiling, hasn't it? Here in silk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Proper covered.
See all the bits of wood stuck to the ceiling.
yeah.
Still seeing something like that morning.
Where?
Just there. Oh yeah, come up good.
What was it, an Australian one then? Used to call them. Used to have them on site, used to call them kangaroo pumpers, and they come from Australia.
I've never.
Yeah, this is like one of the first.
This is what we used
Yeah.
when I worked here.
Okay, that's worth a view, Bob.
Yeah.
Some copper now.
209 hours it's done.
Is that all?
It's not done a lot.
Not a lot, is it?
It might not do any more looking at
I
it.
tell you what, if you drag this, I tell you what, if you drag this out of here and you pressure wash this, I bet you get this going.
I'm ready to go again.
As long as you just have the pump cleaned out.
The rest of it, like I say, the rest of it is up. The control box and everything's up
There's
on
the
another
toilet
drive.
there, look.
Yeah,
Look in here.
the other end of it's on a.
Still have air in.
Yeah, it's clean.
It is clean.
Yeah.
They'll have left it clean. They won't. They won't have left it
Well, I
shit.
see. Used to call it kangaroo.
Yeah,
They come from Australia, call it kangaroo pump because the pipe used to fucking jump.
jump about, but yes, it did
Jump up
when we
like-
used it.
We've had them on sites years ago. We lifted them onto roofs and things, you know,
Yeah,
on big buildings. I tell you, that's not a bad nick, that.
Not like Davies.
it's about, well, it's 30 odd years old. That I do know.
Yeah, well, that's not old to me.
No, well, it's not old.
Well, before we had the concrete pumps, we used to put them in hoppers and lift them up with crane.
Yeah,
Then they started, these come from Australia. I think it was I think it was called a salamander pump or something.
Someone's broken the key off.
Okay.
There's the key on there. That's for the opening. That's
Yeah.
it's for opening the control panel.
Broken.
yeah, opening the control panel.
You fix it, then he's like heating plastic.
Sorry?
You heat the plastic up like that and push it into the kit.
Yeah.
And go off.
No, it's not broken in lock, is it? I don't think.
Well, it's just missing, isn't it?
It's missing, yeah. They just wired it up there so you don't lose it.
Straight up.
It'll be a Lucas key, won't it? to start?
Yeah, it'll be a
Start
Lucas
key.
key.
I don't know where the start key is. That's for this panel, isn't it?
Yeah,
I don't know where the engine starts, but.
it didn't. It were electric.
Motor.
Oh, were it?
Yeah,
These buttons here.
Oh, it's all them, like it.
I'm sure it starts.
it were electric. We had a big pan mixer that we used to mix it in, and then tip it out of that into loader and tip it into a front loader
Here's a compressor on it, yeah.
to blow it up. Yeah,
Blow it up, yeah. On back, you can see them. The tube, the air tank.
yeah.
Yeah, I've seen them before. Good. Another thing for your museum.
You never get this out. I don't think.
this out.
It's getting down here.
Positive.
It's getting it down here to get it out, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's a tractor with a quick hitch would lift that up.
Get that.
Get that out. Oh, the other shit.
Yeah, it's got the thing on for a truck.
Yeah.
It always got to be positive. Just can you afford the time and effort to do it?
That's the thing.
think to a man that won't get any shoes.
Quite a long way, and there's quite a lot of crap.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Is there no way
Oh
out?
yeah, to clear it, but definitely.
I don't know, is it collapsed?
Yeah, we came to the other side of the passage, down that passage. So you have to go out the way we just walked. Yeah. Rather than that.
Take some pictures of you do. What are you going to do?
I'm just going to take some pictures of that side.
Yeah, we'll walk around. Do pictures, but you do
Yeah.
Are you wanting to go up to collapse you too? You what, mate?
Are you continuing the drive?
Are you bothered or not?
I don't know, is there anything else to see?
Not really, this is it.
Right, well, you know the drive that we haven't walked down yet?
Yeah, we could go and have a look down there a bit.
I'm just going to do some pictures and reels from here.
Yeah, no worries.
And I'll,
Time wasted time.